Hello and welcome everybody. Today we'll see game for Argon 2205 rate and Sebastian 2317 rate. Was played a French game. He played e4, e6, d4, d5, takes takes. He played east advanced. Bishop d3, knight c6, knight f3, try to defend the pawn, bishop g4, try to take the knight and take the pawn, c3 defends the pawn, bishop d6, try to take some commands, white castling, knight g7, rook e1, try to attack the e column, queen d7 to defend the bishop and take some column. Bishop g5, f6 with attacking the bishop and take the this square because it's strong. Bishop h4, black castling, bishop g3, g5, black starting a pawn storm, knight b d2, h5, bishop takes d6, take. It was a strong bishop, and to don't take the bishop because don't take the bishop for pawn. Takes b4, white also need make a pawn storm, h4, a4, king b8, a5, knight c8, b5, knight c e7, queen a4, bishop d7, uh, because he now cannot make the p6 move. He will play knight f1, g4, knight 3, d2, f5, continues the pawn storm, queen a2 to can make p6 and defense, f4, p6, takes with the c pawn, a6, g3, f takes g3, h takes g3, a takes the b7, and king takes b7, and the black king is in safety. He will play rook be1. Then black will play rook dg8, try to attack the white king. Knight f3, bishop g4, knight e5, and its outpost f3 continues the pawn storm. Well, knight takes g3, queen h6, rook takes b6, queen takes b6, and that is a blunder because he can eat it with the knight. Okay, that was a blunder. He takes his with the queen. He take his queen with rook b1, f takes g2, rook takes b6 check, a takes b6, king takes g2, bishop h3 check, king g1, rook h4, queen f2, rook h5, c4. Try to attack the pawn, rook hg5 attacking, c takes d5, knight f5, knight f3, rook takes g3 check, h takes g3 check, rook takes g3 check, king's h2, rook g8 check, queen takes g2, bishop takes g2, and black is back to his queen. King takes g2, knight e3 check, king g3, knight takes d5, bishop b4 attacks the knight, but black play knight c e7. We can see another game for Paulette and Lotus. e4, e6, d4, d5, e takes d5, e takes d5, bishop d3, knight c6, c3, bishop d6, knight f3, bishop g4, taking the knight, we say that, white castling, knight g e7, rook e1 attacking the knight, queen d7, knight b d2, black castling, b4, king b8, knight b3, knight g6. And knight g6 has with idea. We'll see. b5, knight c e7, knight c5 attacking the queen, queen c8, bishop e2, f6 takes this square, a4, knight f5, knight d3, rook h e8, a5, rook takes e2, rook takes e2, bishop takes f3, g takes f3, and the white king is very down. Knight f4, knight e1, knight f4, bishop takes f4, bishop takes f4, rook e7, the try to take this pawn and defense, but black has played h3 in the checkmate. No way. We can see another game for Tranicolo and Erdos Victor. Play e4, e6, d4, d5, e takes d5, e takes d5, knight f3, knight c6, c3 defense, bishop d6, bishop d3, bishop g4. It's same position but with different moves. Castling, knight g e7, rook e1, queen d7, knight b d2, black castling, b4, knight g6, and say knight g6 with id, b5, knight c e7, queen b3, rook h e8, bishop a3, knight f4, bishop f1, bishop takes f3, bishop takes d6 because was a very strong one, takes with pawn. Don't know. Knight takes f3, queen g4, king h1, king b8, knight d2, queen g5, c4 attacking the pawn, queen f6 attacking the d the e4 pawn, knight f3, g5, rook e d1, g4, knight e1, d takes c4, takes with the bishop to try to takes the f7 pawn, d5, he can't move and attacking the bishop, bishop f1, knight f5, try to attack from the a con. Knight c2, rook e4, p6 takes with the a, queen p2, rook d6 because make the queen move and the rook defends to the pawn. g3 attacks the knight, knight e6, bishop d3 attacking the rook, knight takes g3 with check, h takes g3, queen f3 check, king g1, knight f4, bishop takes e4, knight h3 check, king h2, queen f2. And from here the white resign because he will take a checkmate now. Okay, that was all. We say three. We see three games: four Argon and Sebastian, Petroko and Zanut, Ballet and E2, Tranicolo and Idros. Thank you for watching. Made by Omar Ala.